Hi, this is Steve Moran with ReMax Realty Specialist. A special shout out to the fans of Spain and Italy whose teams advanced to the quarterfinals today in Euro 2012. I'm standing outside of the Parkview condominiums at 1580 Mississauga Valley Boulevard. I happen to sell a very beautiful 3-bedroom penthouse condominium on the weekend. I'd like to take a minute and talk to you about the recent Toronto Real Estate Board Market Watch report. The Toronto Real Estate Board reported that the sales transactions in the first 14 days of June were equivalent to the level of sales transactions reported in the similar period in June 2011. While sales were flat on a year-over-year basis, the total number of new listings entered into the Toronto MLS system was up by 16%. Sales growth continued to be much stronger outside the city of Toronto in the first half of June. While average home prices and slower listings growth in the city of Toronto likely explain some of the disparity in sales growth, recent polling suggests that the city of Toronto's land transfer tax is having a substantial impact on where many households are looking to buy. Recent polling indicated that 3/4 of people in Toronto and surrounding 905 regions who are planning to move over the next 2 years said that they are more likely to move outside of Toronto, specifically because of the added upfront costs associated with the Toronto land transfer tax. The average selling price for transactions during the first 2 weeks of June was approximately $517,000. This represented an increase of 8% compared to the average in the first 2 weeks of June 2011. The annual rate of price growth remains very high in the Greater Toronto Area. Increased listings will result in more balanced market conditions over the next year, but it will take some time before price growth will moderate to a more sustainable pace. Right now, months of inventory remains very low from a historic perspective and likely will not climb back to the pre-recession norm until 2013. Thanks once again for your attention. If you'd like further information, you can call Steve Moran at 905-272-3434 or contact me at SteveMoranHomes.com.